About 11,000 years ago, humanity made the worst career move in history. We gave up a relaxing, 15-hour work week, completely ruined our spines, and started slaving away in muddy fields. Every history book tells you we did this to invent agriculture and bake bread. That is a lie. Prehistoric bread was basically a rock-hard hockey puck. No one is giving up their freedom for a terrible cracker. We didn't build the first human cities for food. We gave up our freedom and built massive stone temples for one specific reason. We wanted to get drunk. Yes, human civilization was built on beer. Imagine a hunter-gatherer. Let's call him Bob. Bob is gathering wild barley one day, puts it in a bowl, and accidentally leaves it outside in the rain. A few days pass. The wild yeast in the air gets into the wet grain, and the mixture starts to bubble. It smells a little funky. It looks like a muddy puddle. But humans are incredibly curious, and frankly, a little gross. So, Bob drinks the puddle. 20 minutes later, something magical happens. Bob's anxiety about being eaten by a tiger disappears. He feels incredibly brave. Suddenly, he thinks his annoying neighbor is actually a really funny guy.
Don't touch me.
Bob has just discovered alcohol, and he wants more of it. But here is the problem. Wild barley is rare. If you want to make enough of this magical happy juice for your entire tribe, you can't just rely on foraging. You have to plant it. You have to harvest it. And most importantly, brewing beer requires giant, heavy stone vats. You cannot carry a brewery on your back while chasing a mammoth. If you want beer, you have to stop moving. You have to build a permanent village. And we actually have the archaeological proof. In Turkey, there is an 11,000-year-old site called Göbekli Tepe. It is the oldest temple on Earth. And what did archaeologists find there? Massive stone troughs that hold up to 40 gallons of liquid, testing positive for oxalate, the chemical marker of brewing grain. Our ancestors were throwing massive, prehistoric raves before they even invented the wheel. But beer wasn't just for partying. It was an evolutionary cheat code. You see, human beings are naturally tribal. If you put hundreds of strangers in one place, they will usually end up killing each other. But alcohol? Alcohol is the ultimate social lubricant. It lowered aggression, broke down social barriers, and allowed massive groups of humans to actually tolerate each other long enough to build societies. Plus, the fermentation process killed deadly bacteria, making ancient beer much safer to drink than prehistoric river water, all while being packed with calories. Beer literally held early human society together. In fact, the oldest written recipe in human history isn't for a meal. It's a 4,000-year-old Sumerian poem praising the goddess of brewing, complete with step-by-step instructions on how to make beer. Even mathematics and writing were largely invented just to keep track of grain harvests and alcohol rations for workers. So, human civilization wasn't built on discipline, a desire for progress, or a craving for bread. It was built because a bunch of stressed-out cavemen realized that farming was the only way to keep the prehistoric pub open. If this video completely ruined your high school history class, but in a fun way, hit that like button and subscribe to the Human Timeline. Let me know in the comments. If you had to name a prehistoric brand of beer, what would you call it? Stay curious, drink responsibly, and I'll see you in the next glitch in the timeline.